So hey you all, happy Christmas, and now is the time where we're going to do a very festive, simple 5-minute tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you how I like to do a bronzy feline eyeshadow look. So let's start off. So we're going to start with the NY Bay kohl pencil. Now I like this kohl pencil because it's very smudgeable. So we're going to go with that along our lash line. So I'm starting at the lower lash line. That way it's easier to get a perfect shape. So whenever you have to kind of create a feline shape, start with the lower lash line and slowly start to smudge out the edges with a smudging brush. Now I'm going to use the Huda Naughty nude eyeshadow palette. You can use any brown eyeshadow. It'll literally look the same. So you can do that, go around, start blending out all the edges really slow and extend the entire lower lash line out towards like a wing and take it towards the center, around the center of the eye. And it need not be perfect because we're anyways going to be smudging it out. Clean your brush in the middle as you smudge along. That way it's a little more neater and the black does not kind of go everywhere. And then we're going to use the brown, use it on all the upper edges of the black which we just smudged. Take it all the way till your crease and then start to blend out the edges. So we're keeping this very hooded eye friendly. So I'm not going to be taking it way too high. And then we're going to blend that out with a transition brown. That way, it's a little more easy without any kind of seams going on. Picking up a bronze shimmer, we're going to add this exactly at the center of the lid and just pat it in. That way there's a good amount of opacity. Highlight the inner corner with a lighter shade from the palette. I'm going to slightly pull that towards the lower lash line too. I'm going to use the Lotus maxlash lash mascara, and then we're going to go for around 2 to 3 coats of mascara. So you could always stop with the mascara, but I'm going to add a little more drama by using the Henaa Beauty lashes in the style Nazaqaat. So this is my favorite style. So we're going to apply that, and this is the completed look, and I hope you all enjoyed it. It's super easy, very basic. It just looks like it's difficult, but try it out. I'm 100% sure you'll be able to do it. Just kind of maintain the shape as you go along. Follow your crease. Follow the shape of your eye. You can always use sellotape at the end if you want it to be a little sharper. So let me know down in the comment section below on what else you would like to see from me. And I hope you all have a great Christmas, and I'll see you guys later. Until next time, bye bye.